I sense someone wishes my advice. You are too close. Step back a bit. Now I can see you. Always remember, a conscience is what hurts when all of your other parts feel so good. You have come for my wisdom. I have but one recommendation for you. Eat well and stay fit. You'll die anyway, but at least you'll look better. Come closer, so that I may see your future. Well, my advice to you is, if you are too open-minded, your brains may fall out. You wish to know what lies ahead? Then listen carefully. If you must choose between two evils, pick the one you've never tried before.